How to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization problem. So if you're facing this problem on your Windows 10 or 11, then first you just need simply open up your settings. I'll show where you will face this problem. So open up your settings, and under settings you need to go with the system option. Under system you will have the activation section. So scroll down and you might find the activation here. And under activation, you may find the option of we can't activate Windows on this device because you don't have a valid digital license or product key. If you think you do have a valid license or key, you can select the troubleshoot below for the error. If you find that kind of problem, then what you need to do. So if you have a genuine key, or if you've purchased a key, then you can just simply go with the troubleshoot, which is on the right side. Then after a few minutes, it might take a few minutes, like 5 minutes, it will load on your screen. And after the troubleshoot is completed, then your problem might be fixed. You will have this active kind of interface. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the change product key, and here you need to go with change. And if you have any purchased keys, then you just need simply enter your product key here and go with next. And after entering next, then your problem will be fixed after you've entered a good product key. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next method is you can just open up your settings again. Under settings, you can go with the left side, and here you need to search for troubleshoot settings. And under troubleshoot settings, you need to go with other troubleshooters. And under other troubleshooters, here you will have Windows Update. You need to go with run under Windows Update, and it might take a few minutes. So you just need simply wait, and after running the troubleshooter, you can apply the fix, and your problem will be fixed. So these were the ways, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.